Yesterday I bought some casters to put on the big, tallest rotary spark gap, so I can push it around now, because it was like really awkward and heavy to move, and the top was kind of delicate, so it is not as stable as you can see. It rocks way too much, but I can push it, so that's a huge improvement. Okay, so I borrowed some glassware from my science teacher, a whole bunch of beakers and Erlenmeyer flasks. Thank you. So these are going to be filled with dry ice and food coloring, and then I might get some rubber stoppers in these and have polytube going in, so the gas from the dry ice will go into that one and bubble in that one, then go into another one and bubble. So this will be pretty cool. So here is the progress on the automatic arcing machine, the Jacob's ladder. I decided the resistors didn't work. I just blew a whole bunch up. I would get up to one arc before the resistor would explode. So I tried this thing, but it would fling hot metal, which is that one up there, brass springs. So I just went with this. It's a microwave motor, and it goes around and touches that and arcs. But it stays too long on it, so I got some things to work out on that. Here's an update on the switchboard. I can't remember if I had a video of this switch last time, but I decided to only do one little receptacle instead of two, so I can use less metal, and thus I can make more switches. And I got another rotary switch here built. I gotta glue those down. I don't have the fuses glued down yet. Neither do I have the gauges. I have to take these pieces of metal over here. Let's see. I gotta bend each one of these to the right angle. Gotta do this all by hand. And then I have the actual knife blades for the switches somewhere, which I can't see. Here they are. So what I'm going to do is, this is where it's going to be pivoted, and this is where it's going to be also bent by hand, and be the little thing right here, like that, so I can attach it. Okay, I've been working really hard today. Put up the plastic screen to cover up all our stuff in the garage, so got this done. This is for the first rotary spark gap. That goes to here. Switchboard is behind there. Goes up to there. And can be turned on by this power supply here. Also turns on the big light there. That light casts light through the plastic so you can see the glow on the other side. That is for the other spark gap. And those will be two meet up with a Y connector up to the variac, and will be controlled from that way. And this thing, which is I'm gonna have a little blue wire to act as electricity going into there. Then got the lightning screen, this valve here, and my old lantern, and the big rotary spark gap, and my suspension insulators. So that's what it looks like. Here's my little secret excess. So here it is so far. Got the Tesla coil thingy sitting right there. I'm going to set that on my tool, or my stool, and that will cover up that. Spark gap, now setting on this old table. And the steel. I burnt the box to give it some more looks to it, make it look better. The spark gap. And the switchboard up here. This took a nice, what's a 12 by 2 piece of wood and screwed that really strong there. Put a 50-pound weight on the back, and this to help support more. This is where all the graduated cylinders and beakers and stuff are gonna go. And then also the black switchboard will go right there. As you can see, that last light cast light through there. And then here's my little Frankenstein. It's made out of bubble wrap and plastic bags, and his legs are egg cartons. Made this table out of some piano wood and some 2x4s. Put it under a sheet. have this thingy right here, which is the Corona ring insulator. Okay, I finally finished the switchboard. I got everything set up. I even got some light bulbs on here. I'll turn them on. Actually, only one works. These are... Oh my god! They work. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, apparently, for some reason... Ow, that's hot. Ow, ow. For some reason, this is only getting 2 volts, but now it goes on magically. That's sweet. This don't look even, but I got 2 light bulbs there. And I have all the switches here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in all. I was gonna make another one there, but I just couldn't stand to make another one. These are so hard. Require a lot of drilling and cutting. But all are functional. Some work better than others. Got the rotary switches here. This one doesn't really work. These two are not set up to work really, but this one can. That there. And then mounted my vacuum pressure gauge and my 2 of the identical pressure gauges. So I think it looks awesome, and I am so happy that it's finally done.